Okay, YouTubians, this is WBPM. I'll be depositing this today because I'm short on my rent. I don't know, that's like a month and a half's worth of me scavenging while driving. Some of it's tip money, some of it's from the vacuum cleaners where I get my car washed from Uber driving. Some of it, embarrassingly, is I pick up change when I go through drive-thrus late at night on the ground. Like at Starbucks is the best. I usually find $1 or $2 on the ground. Yes, I'll be dropping that off today. And this, I'll do some videos. These are all my special things that I found in the vacuum cleaners or at car washes or at Coinstar. I mean, there's a lot of stuff in there. I must have 20 wheats. I must have 200 1959 to 1982 copper pennies. I got some gold in there. And this is some gold I got last couple days out of the vacuum cleaners. A little bit of silver and gold. So yeah, I've been having some success doing this while I'm looking for work. I don't know how much is in there. I'm guessing maybe 450 bucks. I don't know. We'll find out. But I'll film it as I'm doing the Coinstar at my credit union. Bye. Hello YouTubians, it's WBPM. It's time for me to deposit the mother of all deposits. Wish me luck. Hopefully it's a lot of money. The gentleman here, my banker, says it's not the most he's ever seen, but here it is. Let's go for it. Are you ready? Here it goes. A lot of pennies. $18. 25 bucks. 48. Lots of rechecks. 70 bucks. 100 bucks. $150. $160. $200. $50. $290. Okay, we're still counting. $3.91. Oh, that wasn't bad. Not bad for scavenging. Let's see if we can beat this record. It's not taking my last nickel. Doesn't like it. So $391.99 is the final count. Ta-da! So it came out to $391.90. 4,700 pennies. Wow. 4,700 pennies. My goodness. Anyway, it's a wrap.